Let's set up your tools for selling services. You can control the services you want to display. Choose to display all of your services, a single service category, services with specific tags, or custom services. If you need to make edits to any of your items, you can hit the Manage Services button. Once you've set up your services, choose your layout. We offer modern layouts, editorial layouts, designer layouts, and more traditional layouts that show your items' information. Select the layout that works best for you. Before you save your layout, make sure to set your rows and columns depending on how many items you want to show in the block. Your rows are horizontal while your columns are vertical. You can add a last item link to your services too. You can use it to show off text, load more items, or as a link. You can customize this block under the advanced area. Keep in mind that these block settings will override the global settings you've set up. You can control the spacing, colors, and background of the block. Happy selling!